Grateful as Joseph T. Renaldi. I am grateful for the eyes that I can see. The activities that can be done by me. I am grateful for the ears that I may hear. The serving of those who need me near. I am grateful for the lips that might speak words of comfort and peace to all who seek. I am grateful for a mind that I might know how to aid those who need me so. I am grateful for hands that I might do some odious or simple task for you. I am grateful for the ability to always pray, to give me the strength and guidance every day. I am grateful for one thing, all else above, that I was given a heart that I may love.